In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate expense report by customer in QuickBooks Online. This walkthrough is perfect if you need to see what you've spent on behalf of a specific customer or job, and which vendors those costs went to. Before we start, a quick note. For this to work, your expenses need to be tagged to the correct customer or project. If you don't see results later, that's the first place to check in your transactions and in your expense tracking settings. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online and heading to the Reports area from the left navigation. Reports is your hub for pulling insights from your data, and we'll use one that's built for vendors but can be filtered to focus on a single customer. In the Reports screen, open the report called Expenses by Vendor Summary. This report shows your spending summarized by vendor. Even though we're aiming to analyze costs by customer, this view is helpful because it will show for that customer which vendors you paid and how much. If you don't see it at first glance, use the search bar at the top of the reports page to find it quickly. Once the report opens, set your date range at the top to the period you want to analyze, like this month, last quarter, or a custom range. Getting the time frame right up front keeps the totals meaningful. Next, click Customize in the upper right. The Customize panel lets you shape the report to your needs. Open the Filter section, then find the Customer option. Depending on your setup, it may appear as Customer or Customer Project. Turn it on and choose the specific customer or customers you want to include. If you use sub-customers or projects, you can select those individually to tighten the focus. Apply your selections. QuickBooks will refresh the report to show only expenses that were tagged to the customer you picked during the date range you set. You'll now see a vendor-by-vendor breakdown of those costs with totals at the bottom. This is a great way to answer questions like which suppliers you're using most for a customer and how your spend stacks up across vendors. If the report looks empty or incomplete, double-check that your bills, expenses, and vendor credits were assigned to the correct customer or project. Also confirm that you chose the right dates. Small date mismatches are a common reason totals don't line up. That's it. You've generated a clear expense report by customer using QuickBooks Online's built-in reporting and filters. Adjust the date range anytime to update the picture and you'll have a reliable view of customer-specific spending whenever you need it.